In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer invoice in Microsoft Access. We'll start from a blank database and build everything you need to enter customers and orders, then generate a polished invoice you can print or share. Open Microsoft Access and choose Blank Database. Give your database a clear, memorable name and save it somewhere you can easily find. When the file opens, you're ready to define your data structure. Head to the Create tab and choose Table Design. This lets you precisely control fields and data types. Think in terms of the records you'll need: customers, the products or services you sell, invoices, and the line items on each invoice. For each table, create a primary key, typically an auto number field. Use short text for names and addresses, date time for invoice dates, currency for prices and amounts, and number for quantities. Mark required fields, add sensible default values, and include brief descriptions so future you knows what each field is for. With tables saved, go to Database Tools and open Relationships. Add all your tables to the design surface. Create relationships by dragging matching fields from one table to another. For example, link the customer ID in the invoices table to the ID in the customer's table, link invoice lines to their invoice ID, and link products to product ID. Turn on enforce referential integrity so your line items can't exist without a valid parent record. Consider cascade updates for IDs to keep everything synchronized. Now build user-friendly data entry forms. Use the form wizard to pull in fields from related tables. A common pattern is a main form for the invoice header, customer date terms, and a subform for the line items. Let Access create that subform automatically. Use combo boxes to select customers and products by name while storing their IDs behind the scenes, and format quantity and price fields so they're quick and accurate to enter. Next, prepare the data that drives your invoice. Create a query that joins customers, invoices, invoice lines, and products, and include all the fields you want on the invoice. Add a calculated field for line totals, such as quantity multiplied by unit price, and sort or filter as needed. Create a new report based on that query. Design the invoice layout: a clear header with your company details and invoice number, the customer address, and a neat details section listing each line item. Group by invoice ID, add totals in the footer, format amounts as currency, and adjust margins so it prints cleanly to a page. Finally, automate and enhance. Add buttons on your invoice form to preview or print the current invoice, set default dates to today, include validation rules for required fields, and test with sample data. When everything looks right, you're ready to invoice with confidence.